They said AI could never take over marketing, but look around. AI is writing captions, generating ad copy, designing graphics, analyzing performance, and doing it all in seconds. No coffee breaks, no mood swings, no missed deadlines. Right now, in the present moment, AI tools are already changing how digital marketing works. You've got ChatGPT writing blogs, Jasper creating email campaigns, Canva designing with a single prompt, and Meta's AI running ads with smarter targeting than most humans. Brands are saving time, cutting costs, and scaling faster, not by hiring more marketers, but by using better tools. So here's the truth. AI hasn't replaced digital marketers yet, but it has replaced some of the work they do, the repetitive stuff, the basic tasks, the things that used to take hours now take minutes. And now comes the big question. What about the future? In the next few years, AI will only get better, faster, more creative, more strategic. Will it replace digital marketing completely? No. But it will replace marketers who don't evolve. Because the future belongs to those who can blend human creativity with AI efficiency. Your role won't disappear. It will transform. From doing the work manually to leading with strategy, guiding AI, and owning the voice that no machine can fake. So, if you're a digital marketer, the question isn't, will AI replace me? It's, am I ready to work with AI or get left behind by it? If this got you thinking, hit that like button, drop your thoughts in the comments, and follow for more bold takes on tech, marketing, and the future of work.